Okay, this video is on finding all of the statistics by hand, like the old-fashioned way. You're still going to use your calculator for some things, but you won't use it to do everything. So to find the mean, we add all of these numbers up and divide by how many there are. How many are there? 11? So find the sum of those numbers and divide by 11. And for your mean, you should get, and then divide by 11, and you should get 25, right? Okay. So the mean is 25, add them and divide by 11. The mode. The mode is the one that shows up the most often. So I see a 25, I see another 25, and a third 25. Do any other numbers show up more than 3 times? Okay, so then that's the mode. For the median, you want to put the data in order. So we start with the smallest. It looks like 18, 21. Now, as you're going through and putting the data in order, you might want to cross them out so you know which ones you've already listed. 22, 24 shows up twice, 25 3 times, 24, 24, 25, 25, and then 26, 28, and then 37. 26, 28, 37. Let's make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The median is the number in the middle. So you can work your way towards the middle like this. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Is there a median? 25. There's always a median, okay? Even if there was an even number of data items and you wouldn't have a number sitting in the middle, the median would be the average of the 2 left over, okay? So let's say you got to the middle and there were 2 numbers there, like 24 and 25. Then your median would be 24 and a half. It would be the average of the 2 in the middle, okay? Now, let's get to the 5-number summary. For the 5-number summary, you have to list the minimum, the maximum, the median. Those are easy. The maximum is the biggest. The minimum is the smallest. The median is 25. That would be a 3-number summary, but they want a 5-number summary. The other 2 are called Q1 and Q3. Okay? So what we do is we ignore the median. So that highlight 25 won't be included. You look at the low part of the data that I just outlined right there. And you find the middle of those. So let's go from 18, 24, 21, 24. Who's the middle of the low half? That's called Q1. Then you do the same thing for the top half. Low, high, 26 is called Q3. The range is the difference from the highest to the lowest. What's 37 minus 18? That's your range. The IQR is called the interquartile range, and it's the difference from Q3 to Q1. So what's 26 minus 22? That's 4. So that means the box in our box and whisker plot will only be 4 units wide. Let's get to that box and whisker plot. We start with 18 and we make a number line. Since I can't fit every number, I'm going to write all the even numbers on every other tick mark. Got it? I'm just writing the even numbers. I know where the odds are. Here we go. So there's my number line from 18 to 38. Now that a number line is drawn, you take the minimum, 18, and you put a dot above the number line or below the number line, wherever you have room. Then you take the maximum, 37, and you put a dot above it. That's going to be how far the whiskers reach on the box and whisker plot. We also put a dot above 22, 25, and 26. 22, 25, 26. You draw a box from 22 to 26. You put a line at the median, a vertical line, so you can see where the median is. And then you connect the box to the lower point, the minimum, with a whisker, and the upper point to a whisker. The goal of a box and whisker plot is to show someone who's looking at it how wide the data is. You could see that we kind of have a wide range of values from 18 to 37. We could see that there's not much room in the upper half of the box. That means that the median is really close to the quartile. So it helps to provide a visual on the data so you can interpret it. If you want to watch the next video, I'm going to show you how to find all of these things except the box and whisker plot using your calculator.